Our best-selling romper is back. This is the Ginger Swim romper, and it comes in every color in this collection. Let me show you. So we have this beautiful deep lavender color, and we've got speckled petal, forget-me-not, toffee gingham, love that one, and then daisy blossom, and so I'll show you these up close. And then black, solid black. So you have a black background with white daisies and a solid black. And then here is the speckled petal up close. No changes have been made. I do feel like the bra this year is a little more supportive in whatever size you are. So if you were worried about the bra being a little bit big last year, it's gonna be perfect size for you this year, I'm sure of it. I am loving this solid color. I'm actually wearing a medium right now, and I'm gonna show you really quick what a small looks like, but I cannot tell you how comfortable this is. It's a bestseller for a reason. Let me go try on that small, and I'll show you the difference between sizes, and I'll explain why you might wanna size down, or you might wanna kind of stick with your regular size. This is the size small in the Ginger Swim romper, and I absolutely love this for the rest of my frame. It is a little bit tight on my bust, and I'm nursing right now. So if I wasn't gonna go in the water, I think I would mostly go with a medium just for comfort. But if I was gonna go in the water and I'm planning on playing in the water with my kids, I would definitely go down to a size small. If you don't know about the Ginger Swim romper, there are full coverage bottoms underneath that are attached at the waist. There's also a full bra inside that is nursing friendly, so it crosses over the front just like this part does right here, and it's got a 1-inch elastic band under the bust, so it's very, very supportive. Works really great on any type of body, and it's very flattering. We love how feminine it is with the ruffles. We do have other rompers. I'm gonna show them in another video, but I just wanted to show this. It's a bestseller for a reason, 100%. We absolutely love it.